Okay, this is going to be just a quick video. I just want to explain how this works when we tell you to do this virtual lab. So basically, this is a lab that someone did and took pictures of. So for the first one, you click on the Cobalt system. So these are all the different systems. Some of them are useful for what we're doing here, and some of them aren't. So I'll give you the specific ones to do. So if you click on the Cobalt system, this is what it looks like when it's at equilibrium. Okay. And then there are two things up here that tell you if we shift towards the reactants, then it's blue. If we shift towards the products, then it's red. Okay, so what we want you to do is go through on the hyperdoc and use the reaction up here before you click on anything. Use the reaction up here to make predictions. So based on your knowledge of equilibrium, which you just went over, then you would say, okay, if I add heat, do I think it's going to turn blue or red? So if you add heat, do you think it's going to shift to the reactants or shift to the products? If you think it's going to shift to the reactants, then you write blue. If you think it's going to shift to the products, then you write red. Okay, and then after you make that prediction, you click on the heat thing. That this is heat. The Bunsen burner is heat. And then the next one on our list is remove heat. That's this. This is ice. Okay, so let's do the first one just together so I can show you what that looks like. Um, so if we added heat here, we would expect it to shift towards the reactants. Okay, so we would expect it to be blue. So if you click on the heat thing, this comes up. Now this is the original equilibrium one, which was like a violet color, and then this is clearly more blue. Okay, and if it doesn't look like on the video, just look on your screen. All right, so this is clearly more blue, so what we would write in result, blue. Okay, so we were correct. And then you just go back and look at the other ones, and then it tells you what to do. You can click more H2O, more KCl, and so those are the four that we told you. Now, unfortunately for these, you can't really remove things except for the ice, which is nice. But you can't really remove stuff, so we won't be doing that, but you can just add it. So you just click on it, and then up pops the two things, the two test tubes, and you can write down what the color is. All right, so we have you do cobalt, and then you go back, and then the next one, I believe, is this one, the iron thiocyanate. Right? That's all there is to it.